Good afternoon. This is your News 4 Now update. I'm Kay Ingram. Breaking news. A New York appeals has just agreed to hold off collection of former President Donald Trump's $454 million civil fraud judgment if and only if he can come up with $175 million within 10 days. If he does, it'll stop the state from seizing his assets while he appeals. News 4's Chris Glorioso is in the newsroom with those details.
Okay, it's hard to believe this is anything but a short-term victory for Donald Trump. He had been facing the proposition of raising nearly $500 million in bond money, and now he will only have to put up a little more than a third of that. The order reducing the bond came down just after 11 a.m. from the New York Appellate Division. It also gives Trump an extra 10 days to come up with that reduced figure. This decision at least postpones the high-stakes standoff between Attorney General Letitia James and Team Trump. Remember, James had said she would begin the process of claiming Trump assets as early as today. Now that will not happen. Trump has already announced he will be able to post that $170 million, which would allow him to hang on to all of his properties until his appeal is decided. The Attorney General releasing a statement reminding New Yorkers this reduced bond does not change the massive penalty, only the time Trump has to pay it. And while he did get breathing room on that civil penalty, the former president was sitting in a criminal courtroom this morning seeking breathing room in his criminal hush money trial. Trump's lawyers tried to convince a judge that prosecutors in DA Alvin Bragg's office committed misconduct by failing to turn over a batch of documents on time. Now, the judge flatly disagreed with that, and minutes ago he decided jury selection in the hush money trial will commence on April 15th, tax day, 3 weeks from today. Of course, Trump continues to deny all wrongdoing in that criminal case and all of his cases. Back to you.
All right. Wow. A lot of moving parts. Thank you, Chris. New Jersey's First Lady Tammy Murphy is no longer in the running in the primary to become the state's next senator. Murphy ended her bid to replace Senator Robert Menendez, who is facing federal corruption charges. Menendez says that he's not seeking re-election, but did not rule out running as an independent. In her video, Murphy says continuing the race will mean waging a negative campaign. And the best thing for the state is to unite and focus on the real issues at hand.
And with Donald Trump on the ballot and so much at stake for our nation, I will not, in good conscience, waste resources tearing down a fellow Democrat.
Now, keep in mind, with Tammy Murphy stepping aside, it clears the way for Congressman Andy Kim to secure the Democratic nomination. In a statement, Congressman Kim spoke about Murphy's decision, saying, quote, "Tammy and I both agree that it is critical that we keep this seat and the Senate in Democratic control. Unity is vital." Long Island Children's Hospital is now the epicenter of a possible measles exposure. Nassau County health officials confirmed over the weekend an unvaccinated child under 5 tested positive for the viral infection. Hospital officials say that anyone in the ER department's waiting room or treatment center between the hours of 6:45 Wednesday night through 3:30 Thursday afternoon may have been exposed.
All right, well, we got off to a very chilly start this morning with overnight lows in the mid-30s and plenty of 20s north and west, although, of course, it felt even colder than this. And believe it or not, this was an improvement compared to Sunday. But luckily, temperatures are on the upswing here and no rain in the forecast for today. But we do need to be on the lookout for some coastal flooding. This thanks to an offshore storm in combination with the full moon. So minor to moderate flooding expected here across parts of Long Island, near the 5 boroughs, extending down in through parts of New Jersey as well. But your forecast for today, overall pretty quiet, 52 degrees, still a little gusty, temperatures near average, and notice those rain chances do increase as we head toward the middle of the week for Wednesday and Thursday especially. So tomorrow we get up to 50, 57 for Wednesday, so getting even milder as we head toward the middle of the week. Notice we have the Mets home opener on Thursday. Right now it is looking a little bit soggy, but we do dry things out on Friday, and it stays quiet as we head into the weekend. Okay, sending it back over to you.
Got it. Thanks, Vi. We'll check in with you again soon. Now, look, guys, this is a very special day here at News 4 as our very own Chuck Scarborough celebrates 50 years at WNBC.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, sorry.
There it is.
And there's Chuck flipping the switch. Chuck flipped that switch to light the Empire State Building just hours ago. The Empire State will shine blue and gold in his honor tonight. We'll continue the week-long celebration for Chuck today on News 4 at 4.